Yo, what is up, my Sigmas? We're back in another video. My name is Primal Fear, and today we're going to be trolling with my soundboard.
What the fuck is you looking at?
Yeah, I have a bunch more, So, yeah, we're gonna be trolling. Also, I only use one controller now because I'm my other one died. So, I'm not meaning to kiss you right now. I'm just lagging. So we're not gonna join any codes. We're just gonna go into random codes, bro. And we're gonna. Yeah.
M-O-V-I-E. Oh my goodness, I got the glitch.
M-O-V-I-E.
Broadcast sequence playing 10-9-8-7-6-5-4-3-2-1-99.20-6.4.
Chicken Jackie.
They love stretching the door.
What do you think my nose first?
Chicken Jackie. Hey,
I'm better than you. Look, I can do it.
Cupcake. You wanna be? You cannot. I can do that too. Okay? That's easy. Everybody can do that. They do it good.
Fucking packet, yo.
Are you okay,
Yeah, but I'm
buddy?
having this fake
You have
busy online.
diabetes.
Wait, can I switch lobbies?
Bro, you know how the right code goes. I just do it. Already found a
What the fuck is you looking at?
Bro, nobody. Hey, I think I can tell you for sure that is not a ghost. That's a guy with a soundboard.